The mentor program is shutting down in 2021.
You're full of shit.
All right, thank you guys.
No, shush. Shush.
Yeah.
West Coast.
What's going on, guys? What's going on? First of all, hit the subscribe button, the like button, share this out to everybody. So, apparently, oilfield companies are looking for all kinds of people. And I'm about to show you guys some job listings right now on this video. So be patient. I try to freeze it and scroll it. Give you guys some time to read it, get some reading done. This is the only kind of reading that truckers get. Is when I do stuff like this. Because we don't pick up no books. Anyway, enjoy this video, guys. See if you can find a job for somebody.